grow on TikTok in 1 month. 1 month is too slow. Wow. 0 to 1k followers on TikTok in only 7 days. Wow. To grow your TikTok to 800,000 followers. Wow. Okay, I'll go with this. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Today's video is going to be very useful, especially for online entrepreneurs, because I'm going to review how you can write attention-grabbing headlines like a pro. Headlines are everywhere. We see them on YouTube videos, on our emails, on TikTok videos, Instagram, Facebook, and many more other platforms. But what does writing headlines have to do with your drop servicing business? Of course it does. We write headlines for our emails, on all our social media posts for content marketing, as well as on our website. We literally have to write headlines on a very regular basis. I'm a very big advocate for content marketing, especially for drop servicing business, because through content, we can attract our target audience, and in turn, we can turn them into our potential clients. So writing a good, compelling headline is the first skill that you should know, and the first skill that you should be practiced on. Many of us, including our target audience, love to consume content on a daily basis. Just like myself, I like to browse for content for knowledge purpose as well as for entertainment purpose. So in order for you to get the browser's attention, we need to write good headlines in order to grab the viewer's attention. No, we are not talking about clickbaits. Our objective is to put powerful, relevant, and short keywords to our headlines so that it catches their attention. Sounds kind of complicated, right? No worries, I got you covered in today's video, because I'm going to share with you a free tool that helps generate hundreds of attention-grabbing headlines in seconds. Not only that, this free tool is going to give you hundreds of free content ideas in just a matter of few clicks. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Go to tweakyourbusiness.com/title generator. Link will be provided for you under this video. Next, enter a topic you want to talk about. Let's say digital marketing. Select either a noun or a verb. For digital marketing is a noun, and select the title case because we are generating titles. But this is really up to your preference. Then click submit. Ta-da! You'll get tons of title suggestions for you. I know some don't really make sense like this. Don't waste time. 10 facts until you reach your digital marketing. Okay, this one sounds really weird, but majority of it makes sense. Like this one, best digital marketing tips you will read this year. This sounds really very compelling. Try this tool out and let me know what you think of it. Are the title suggestions relevant to your topic? Let me know in the comment section below. What other tools you use to help your online business? Let me know in the comment section below as well. If you want to learn more how you can grow your online business, I have more tutorials over here, so make sure that you check them out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!